You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
New video of Monday evening's hailstorm in North Chico off Esplanade as the major thunderstorm cell moved across the area. Now a look at the aftermath. A lot of ice still out on the roads to start this day off. A pretty sight, but creating slick conditions for drivers this morning.
Jason's tracking our Tuesday evening. Jason, what's next?
Yeah, well, we still have a lot of clouds. We have areas of rain. We have more mountain snow. Nothing quite as turbulent as that thunderstorm that brought all the marble-sized hail to a good portion of northeastern Glenn County and Butte County. Temperatures are pretty cool, though, for this time of year. It's only 45 in Redding, 48 degrees in Red Bluff, 50 in Chico, and 52 degrees in Oroville, and much more active weather in Shasta and Tehama counties in the valley with areas of rain. No thunderstorms right now, but we also have some snow over the northern mountains, also pushing into the southern Cascades. Looking at futurecasts, we're still going to have additional valley rain showers this evening. Here's 11 o'clock tonight. More areas of rain from Redding southward all the way to Chico. Snow for Trinity County, also pushing into eastern Shasta and Tehama County, Plumas County too. Now by tomorrow morning, it's going to be a little bit different story. We're going to have some sunshine at times, still some snow over the Sierra, but this quiet weather is not going to last very long. We'll still have a chance for some rain showers and snow showers tomorrow afternoon, but far fewer than we've had for quite some time and far fewer than we're going to have for a long time going forward. So Thursday morning, also a quiet start, but here comes the beginning of our major weather pattern change. By Thursday evening, valley rain, more mountain snow, the breezes will be picking up, and it's going to get windier on Friday. Now make sure you watch our second half hour also. I'm going to show you the long-term forecast showing several more storms and much more rain and snow moving our way all the way through early next week. So in the short term, we're going to see how much precipitation we can still get from our current disturbance. For the valley through Wednesday night, most places less than 1/3 of an inch. For the mountains, between 1/2 inch and 1 inch of water equivalent. But then we head into Thursday and early Friday, and here's the makings of that major change coming over to our weather. So just through Friday morning, most of the valley between 1 and 2 inches of rain, and for the mountains between 2 and 3 inches of precipitation, rising snow levels too. As far as the snow is concerned, also through Wednesday night, a few places getting over 1 foot of snow over our foothills, but for the most part, we're going to have places less than 1 foot of snow. But again, more of that snow coming forward on Thursday and Friday, and we'll have that rising snow level too, mainly over 4,000 feet. Then we head to the wind. We're going to have some more gusty wind tonight. Here's 11 o'clock coming right out of the south. Less wind on Wednesday, which we will certainly take, but the breezes are going to start picking up on Thursday, heading into Friday as that next storm moves onshore. And that is definitely going to increase our wind speed. Here's Friday morning at 5 a.m. Already wind gusts between 30 and 40 miles an hour. So we currently have winter storm warnings in blue, winter weather advisories in purple. These will expire through the course of the evening tonight through early tomorrow morning. But storm total is above 3,000 feet, still 1 to 2 feet of snow. Then we look further into the future, and this is the much more important thing you need to focus on. A flood watch already issued for most of Northern California. It begins Thursday afternoon, lasts until Sunday morning at least, but likely it's going to get carried out further into the future. We're going to have rain falling on our lower elevation snow. So areas, especially around the ridge, if you live at elevations lower than Butte Meadows, you're going to have a good chance for rain starting to melt all that snow that we've had from Thursday through Friday into this weekend and early next week. So make sure you stay vigilant all the way through early next week. We're going to have snow melt. We're going to have the potential for some flooding. Again, the flood watch so far will last from Thursday to Sunday, but it will likely get extended further into the future. So tonight, we'll have lows in the 30s and 40s for the valley, teens and 20s for the mountains, highs tomorrow still well below average, 30s in the mountains with 40s in the foothills, lower 50s for the valleys. But look at the 7-day forecast. Rain right across the board after a quieter day on Wednesday. Highs will actually rise a little bit, but we're going to have the potential for some flooding rain, not only in the valley and the foothills. You're going to have to make sure you're very vigilant, make sure you're careful. We also will be springing forward Saturday night when you go to bed.
Thank you, Jason.
More